ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಐ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಅರ್ಚನಾ. ಶ್ರೀ ಬಿ.ಎಂ. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ 11ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಜಿ ಸಚಿವರು, ಶಾಸಕರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಮನೂರು ಶಿವಶಂಕರಪ್ಪ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ನಗರದ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ 11ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಸಭಾಂಗಣ ಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, 11ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಮುಖ್ಯ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ತದನಂತರ ಬಿ.ಎಂ. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ವಿಜಯಪುರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಜಿ ಸಚಿವ, ಶಾಸಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಮನೂರು ಶಿವಶಂಕರಪ್ಪ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಸಚಿವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶರಣು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಬಿ.ಎಂ. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಬಿಎಲ್ಡಿಇ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸಚಿವ ಎಂ.ಬಿ. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರ ಬಿಎಲ್ಡಿಇ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಎನ್ಬಿಎಚ್ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭ ಕೋರಿದರು.
The name and contribution of BID Association in the field of education and social service and engraved in golden letters in annals of education in India for making Vijaypura an illustrious education hub of India. Our salutation to the founding fathers of BID Association, Vachara Pitama Dr. P.J. Halkatti, saint and philosopher Sri Sangana Basava Shiv Yogi Pantanala Swamiji, statesman Sri B.M. Patil. I am further happy to know that BID started a tertiary care hospital in 1984 and established Sri B.M. Patil Medical College to offer MBBS, MS and MD programs. Thus, BID expanded its sphere from education to tertiary healthcare and professional health education. Realizing the importance of liberalization, privatization and globalization of the last decade of the 20th century on education, industry, service sector, BID established BIDA to be university in 2008 with the recognition of UGC, MOE and Government of India. BID Association and universities exponential growth and development befitting the expectation of the 21st century is mainly because of dynamic and benevolent leadership of M.B. Patil ji. I congratulate Sri M.B. Patil ji for these accomplishments. Sri M.B. Patil Medical College and Hospital and Constituent College of BID Deemed University has grown over years as one of the best medical institutions in the country. I am delighted to note, as a Minister of Medical Education, Government of Karnataka, that this medical college has an annual intake of 200 for MBBS and 148 for non-22 MD/MS broad specialties and 2 super specialty programs. The BIDA Medical College and Hospital has experienced faculty and medical consultants in board and super specialty to impart quality healthcare, education and tertiary healthcare to the needy rural masses of North Karnataka. More than 50 super specialty services and facilities are being offered now, especially in urology, nephrology, cardiology, cardiothoracic surgery, neurology and neurosurgery. I am delighted to note that they have undertaken open heart surgery and will be undertaking renal transplantation. These steps would definitely go a long way in fulfilling the needs of super specialty healthcare services at Vijaypura. Organization, exponential growth and development of BIDA deemed to be university and BIDA befitting the expectations of the 21st century is mainly because of proactive, brilliant and benevolent leadership provided by M.B. Patilji, Honorable Chancellor of BIDA. President of BIDA and my colleague in the Ministry of Government of Karnataka is hailed as a modern Bhagirath of Vijaypura for his yeoman contribution in the field of irrigation and water resources management by none other than Siddheshwara Swamiji, popularly known as Jnana Yogi and Nadgad Vadevu. He is also honored as Koti Vriksha Gira for his massive afforestation project in Vijaypura. No wonder, because of these new initiatives and modernization, B.M. Patil Medical College had 50th All India NIRF rank among medical colleges of India in 2021. Quality of healthcare is of utmost importance as a Minister of Medical Education and a doctor by profession and vocation. I am delighted to know that B.M. Patil Medical College and Hospital is accredited by National Accreditation Board of Hospitals NABH, the only medical hospital in North Karnataka and the 9th in Karnataka to achieve this feat. Our hearty congratulations to all the faculty of BIDA for the same. In the light of these accomplishments, dear graduates, you are all singularly fortunate to have studied for your MBBS or MD and other UG, PG degrees in this prestigious illustrious college, hospital and university of national repute, accredited by NAC with A grade and ranked within 150 universities of India in NIRF ranking since 2020. My dear graduates, 21st century is known for physical cyber systems, that is fusion, integration and application of science, engineering, information, communication, digital technology, robotics, nano and laser technology totally blended with health professional education and healthcare, be it medicine or dentistry or science and technology as well as industry and agriculture. We witness this fusion in all branches of medicine with reference to diagnostics, therapeutics, curatives, medical surgical interventions, rehabilitations, telemedicine and so on. The impact of fourth industrial revolution, namely artificial intelligence, machine language, Internet of Things, will revolutionize global healthcare. Personalized medicine, gene therapy, nanoparticle-based drug delivery, minimally invasive surgery, laparoscopies, robotic surgeries, endoscopies, laser-based interventions, transplants and implants are going to be the order of the modern medicine. MRI, CT scan, PET CTs, biological biotechnology, biochemical research have revolutionized medical diagnostics and vaccinations. The National Medical Commission has introduced competency-based medical education 1920, emphasizing the importance of medical and surgical skills and competencies apart from applied knowledge-based research and innovation. The digital ICT technology, database and search engines have brought the scientific journals and books at your reference anywhere, anytime, are also available through smartphone or for references. Medical skill and simulation centers are relevant to sharpen the competencies. Because of this upgradation of curriculum and technology and teaching learning strategies, World Federation of Medical Education has given recognition to Indian medical degrees.